Surah, number 65, of Quran Majid. The Divorce.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
يا أيها النبي إذا طلقتم النساء فطلقوهن لعدتهن وأحصوا العدة واتقوا الله ربكم لا تخرجوهن من بيوتهن ولا يخرجن إلا أن يأتين بفاحشة مبينة وتلك حدود الله ومن يتعد حدود الله فقد ظلم نفسه لا تدري لعل الله يحدث بعد ذلك أمرا.
O Prophet, when you divorce women, divorce them at the conclusion of their term and calculate the term, and be wary of Allah, your Lord. Do not turn them out from their homes, nor shall they go out, unless they commit a gross indecency. These are Allah's bounds, and whoever transgresses the bounds of Allah certainly wrongs himself. You never know, maybe Allah will bring off something new later on.
فإذا بلغن أجلهن فأمسكوهن بمعروف أو فارقوهن بمعروف وأشهدوا ذوي عدل منكم وأقيموا الشهادة لله ذلكم يوعظ به من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر ومن يتق الله يجعل له مخرجا.
Then, when they have completed their term, either retain them honorably or separate from them honorably, and take the witness of two honest men from among yourselves, and bear witness for the sake of Allah. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day is advised to comply with this. Whoever is wary of Allah, He shall make for him a way out of the adversities of the world and the hereafter.
وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا.
And provide for him from whence he does not count upon. And whoever puts his trust in Allah, He will suffice him. Indeed, Allah carries through His commands. Certainly, Allah has ordained a measure and extent for everything.
واللائي يئسن من المحيض من نسائكم إن ارتبتم فعدتهن 3 أشهر واللائي لم يحضن وأولات الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن حملهن ومن يتق الله يجعل له من أمره يسرا.
As for those of your wives who have ceased having menses, or, if you have any doubts concerning its cause, whether it's his age or something else, their term of waiting, and of those who have not yet had menses, shall be 3 months. As for those who are pregnant, their term shall be until they deliver. And whoever is wary of Allah, He shall grant him ease in his affairs.
ذلك أمر الله أنزله إليكم ومن يتق الله يكفر عنه سيئاته ويعظم له أجرا.
That is Allah's ordinance, which He has sent down to you, and whoever is wary of Allah, He shall absolve him of his misdeeds and give him a great reward.
أسكنوهن من حيث سكنتم من وجدكم ولا تضاروهن لتضيقوا عليهن وإن كن أولات حمل فأنفقوا عليهن حتى يضعن حملهن فإن أرضعن لكم فآتوهن أجورهن وأتمروا بينكم بمعروف وإن تعاسرتم فسترضع له أخرى.
House them where you live, in accordance with your means, and do not harass them to put them in straits, and should they be pregnant, maintain them until they deliver. Then, if they suckle the baby for you, give them their wages and consult together honorably. But if you make things difficult for each other, then another woman will suckle the baby for him.
لينفق ذو سعة من سعته ومن قدر عليه رزقه فلينفق مما آتاه الله لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا ما آتاها سيجعل الله بعد عسر يسرا.
Let the affluent man spend out of his affluence, and let he whose provision has been tightened spend out of what Allah has given him. Allah does not task any soul except according to what he has given it. Allah will bring about ease after hardship.
وكأين من قرية عتت عن أمر ربها ورسله فحاسبناها حسابا شديدا وعذبناها عذابا نكرا.
How many a town defied the command of its Lord and his apostles, then we called it to a severe account and punished it with a dire punishment.
فذاقت وبال أمرها وكان عاقبة أمرها خسرا.
So it tasted the evil consequences of its conduct, and the outcome of its conduct was ruin.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب الذين آمنوا قد أنزل الله إليكم ذكرا.
Allah has prepared for them a severe punishment. So be wary of Allah, O you who possess intellect and have faith. Allah has already sent down to you a reminder.
رسولا يتلو عليكم آيات الله مبينات ليخرج الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من الظلمات إلى النور ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا قد أحسن الله له رزقا.
An apostle reciting to you the manifest signs of Allah that he may bring out those who have faith and do righteous deeds from darkness into light. And whoever has faith in Allah and does righteous deeds, he shall admit him into gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them forever. Allah has certainly granted him an excellent provision.
الله الذي خلق 7 سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما.
It is Allah who has created 7 heavens, and of the earth, a number, similar to them. The command gradually descends through them, that you may know that Allah has power over all things, and that Allah comprehends all things in knowledge.